Hi friends, you got developed a mobile application, but without a website it is still incomplete. You need a website for app showcasing to make it complete in the sense of marketing. And in this video we have a theme for mobile app landing page. This theme is named as AppArt as a creative theme for apps, Saas and software. So if you have decided to make a landing page website for app landing page or software or Saas services, this video is for you, and this is going to be a good choice. However, this the last update of this theme was done in May 19 only, and the theme was developed in 18, but I found this theme is having a good and a stunning look. This is why I chosen this theme to make a demo video, and it has multiple home pages as well, so you can choose as per your choice and requirement, and I am going to give this link in the description of this video. Let us see the one of the demo. This is the multi-page main demo, and this is having a very wonderful look, full professional, to the point, clear, aesthetic, and attractive. So if you talk about the pages, this is the pricing page, and it has this theme has both version. You can use single page or multiple page, so you don't worry. If you want to have only one page website, you can get one page website in same look and feel. In this video we are going to install AppArt WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress. I have this installed, and I got the theme pack as well. The theme pack I got AppArt child, AppArt main theme, documentation, licensing, and PhD. This is the theme pack contents. So let us begin the installation of AppArt WordPress theme. And for this you need to go in the theme section of WordPress, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose AppArt theme, appart.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can directly upload the same to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. And the theme has got very low in size. This is a lightweight theme, but it's having just 6.78 MB in size. It will be uploaded in seconds and also work very fine. I mean in good speed, no doubt. Once uploaded, we need to extract the appart.zip file. And the extraction outcome is this AppArt folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one. This is just consuming the server space. Go to the theme section again, and now we have AppArt as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is AppArt 2.8, AppArt is creative, professional, modern, crafted WordPress theme which can be used for mobile app, application and any kind of related app landing pages. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install the necessary set of plugins, and this theme is using Redux framework and Elementor page builder. Both works very fine in WordPress themes. So these are the, let us begin the installation of plugins. These are the list of plugins required to run this theme, and this theme also supports WooCommerce. So if you have decided to sell anything through this theme, it can be possible. And I am installing all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. That will be on safer side for you. And all plugins has been installed. Now we can activate the plugins. And all has been activated now. Just refresh the page once to check whether it needs any, and if you reach on this page, just delete this part. I assume you need to set up the WooCommerce. Okay, so let me log in first. Okay, somehow I got logged out, and I logged in again. Somehow it got logged out, and I'm just refreshing the page again. If it needs any further setup, it does not need anything else. Okay, fine. So now, since we have installed the theme and plugins as well, so we can check how our website, how it looks with the theme. And this is the basic look of AppArt theme without any demo content. So at this stage, we definitely need to import demo to have a wonderful site. Just go to the appearance section and import. Demo data is available there. And here is the demo. Here are the demos which you can choose upon your choice, and the multiple page demo, demo 5 and all are available here. So one page and multiple page is filtered here, and since we have all even installed the WooCommerce, we can choose this multiple demo for demonstration. However, you can choose any. I'm choosing multi-page demo so that I may showcase all the things. I'm just clicking on import demo. Yes, import, and the import process has been started. It will take a bit time because it is going to import or download the media files as well. Just be on this page and don't try to leave or refresh this page. You will reach on this screen once the demo content gets imported. All done. Have fun. And now even you can disable and delete the one-click demo import plugin. Now we can check our website how it looks now with the demo. I assume something good is coming, and yes, it is. We got a wonderful resultant website, and that is with the WooCommerce, as we have also imported the WooCommerce. Pages are here. You can even choose the single page demo and or multiple page demo as per your requirement. Both are available in this theme, and the shop is also available. Products, you can see, check. Oh, it seems there is no product added in the demo. Not a problem. So we can check other pages. This is the page 1, home 1, and app style 2 is here, and this is style 2. It is also having a wonderful look. This is Saas slideshow background, and it is really having a good look without any clutter in images or text. It is very clean and aesthetic in design. Let us check the about page. This is the about page. Watch plus app demo is this. It is also wonderful. So we can conclude that okay, somehow it went to the developer website, and now I will come back to our own website. Okay, so digital shop is here. Okay, that is wonderful. So everything is here in this theme, and we got a wonderful website for next level of customization to put original contents. So everything is ready. You just need to put your own contents and website will be ready to go. Now we can check the theme options what we got in the WordPress panel, and I will show you how to edit the page as well. Just be with me in the video, and these are the common options, and the theme setting is here. So I'll show you the header setting. These are the theme options. In fact, all theme options are here. This is header setting, logo setting, menu styling, menu action button, title bar, footer setting, background setting, text colors. You can change the text colors as well. Blog setting, shop setting, colors. You can overall change the color. Contact page, custom codes 404, and import export. These are the options available to handle the website and theme. These all will help in completing your website. And now I'll show you how to edit the page. So let us assume we need to edit the home page itself. Just since it is using the Elementor, just click on edit with Elementor by opening the page. And it will be loaded to edit, and you can change anything as per your need and choice. This is the second option, and just in case you need to change the text, you can change here. And if you want to edit the featured image, this is the featured image edit option. So it is very simple to edit, so no challenge at all. See title section, and you can edit the image as well. So this is the image edit. Okay, so it is more than easy. In fact, even a non-technical person can do this, so I'm sure you will do it easily. If you got any question or any trouble in the installation of this theme and having any further question, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'm giving you the link in the description of this video where you can even get this theme along with the hosting plans. All are available on the WP Themes website, and you can definitely ask questions in the comment box of this video as well. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'll bring very wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.